And that's how you make $1 billion dropshipping brand. Oh, hey, I didn't see you guys there. I'll take you over to my channel. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Welcome to our brand new YouTube channel where we'll be talking about dropshipping in a world of dropshipping. Now, if you're in the dropshipping world at all, you're probably being bombarded with ads in front of every single YouTube video that you watch. I definitely am. Now, I know there's a lot of skepticism around whether people actually make money dropshipping. Why don't we take a look at 3 businesses that we know have made billions of dollars incorporating the dropshipping business model into their companies in very creative ways. Now, looking at these companies, I can see 2 things that link them all together. One is finding a customer's pain point, and 2 is powerful marketing. 2 things that we can all use to promote our own stores. Let's take a look. Number 1, I'm sure we've all heard of Gymshark. So Ben Francis started from very humble beginnings, and this was his 2nd store after selling number plates. He was very local to Body Power, which was super relevant to the fitness industry. So naturally, this is what he wanted to start his 2nd store in, but he couldn't afford the stock. He had to make this work. So he listed every supplement going on his store, but he didn't stock any of it. Here's what he did.
Now, we couldn't afford stock because we had no money. So the solution that I thought up was to have every single supplement that you can ever imagine on the website, and we didn't stock any of them. And what I did was, when people would order off the website, it would automatically trigger another retailer to drop ship the supplement to them, and we just add a small margin to it. And I think it took about 2 months to get our first sale. And we've done a lot of world tours, and we met a lot of people at expos and stuff, and a lot of people asked me advice on starting a business. And I think the key thing that I would say, based on the way that we started Gymshark, is that you have to be creative with both the front end of your business and the back end. Because if we weren't creative enough to think of the drop shipping solution for the back end of the business, then Gymshark wouldn't exist at all.
So now they could afford stock, but what they really wanted to stock was gym clothes. And that's when they realized, after seeing a lot of sports clothes around, there was nothing specifically designed for the gym.
We earn enough money to be able to stock other people's brands of clothing. And when we got it, I realized that there was nothing out there like what we wanted to wear. We started to design our own answer to fitness wear, which is longer, stretchier, and more fitted.
And this was the birth of Gymshark.
Like within 30 minutes, we did £30,000 in sales.
They got into the gym wear industry at the perfect time when there was nothing else on the market and people wanted gym clothes. Ben Francis was able to give his customers exactly what they wanted. Moving on to number 2 is the watch brand MVMT, or Movement. Okay, Google, stop. A man's watch has kind of become essential to show that someone's doing really well for themselves, but luxury watches are really, really expensive. So Movement came in with a marketing campaign to sell themselves as affordable luxury watches.
Some of you may not know this, but that really expensive watch you've always wanted only costs a fraction of the price to make. Brands create artificially high prices and invest heavily in marketing to craft an image of luxury and quality. Giving our desire to want nice things, we are under the false impression that you get what you pay for. My name's Jake, and this is Movement Watches, made with a high quality 316 low carbon grade stainless steel.
But in reality, stainless steel and the plastic faces are very standard for any type of watch. And since they've launched, we've seen many very similar watches on AliExpress without the logo. It's no secret that these watches can be found for about $4.
In designing this watch collection, we made sure of 3 things. A minimalist look that could be worn in a casual or professional setting, the highest quality materials, and lastly, offering the watches at a price more than half of what our competitors cost.
So MVMT, or Movement, have really put the question out there. If they're able to make hundreds of millions of dollars with their watches, then what's stopping you or I making a lot of money selling better quality products? Sliding on to number 3. This is Kylie Cosmetics, the world's youngest female billionaire, makeup enthusiast, and reality star who could never find the right lip color for her lips.
I've always been obsessed with makeup and lip liner specifically, and I feel like my fans and followers kind of knew me for overlining my lips and getting the fuller lip look. Yeah, and every time I would release what lip liner I was using, it'd be completely sold out everywhere and I couldn't ever get my own lip color. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and just create my own, and it's like become a really big passion of mine.
So she decided to make her own. This isn't entirely dropshipping. Kylie went to Kylie Cosmetics, which are a very well-known white label company where a lot of influencers go to get their products private labeled. So yes, she did do very well because she has a huge cult following and everybody already loves the makeup that she does, but anybody can pay influencers to market their product, and that way the product can grow a cult following of their own. But the real shocker was her $400 luxury brush set, which was seen on Alibaba for about $10. Coincidence? Well, seeing as she's already in the white labeling industry, I think not. Looking at these brands, it's proof and real motivation that if you're prepared to do your industry research, if you can find a customer's pain point, so Gymshark found gym clothes, Movement found affordable luxury watches, and Kylie found the perfect lip color, that starting a successful brand using Shopify dropshipping is far from impossible. In fact, at SaleSource, we've actually done it ourselves. Our SaleSource founder, Kyle, had actually been dropshipping for years, which is why he started the app in the first place. So if you guys want to make it a little bit easier for yourself, SaleSource has addressed difficulties like which manufacturers to use, which products are selling well, how fast you can get a product to a customer, and made the app do it for you. There's a link to a 7-day trial below, so if you're interested, go check it out. But not before you have smashed that subscribe button, hit like if you found this interesting, and comment if any of these brands surprised you at all. Thanks for watching this. I've loved having you, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one. See ya.